Good morning, students, and welcome to my class. Let's begin.
Okay students, so today we are going to do Microsoft Word Practical 2. Why I am saying Practical 2? Because in the last session we have already done one of the practical, means there I gave you a rough idea how to how to design your document. Okay, so next today practical 2. So what will be the next practical? Let's see. So adding page border and watermark in our document. So how to add a page border and how to add a watermark in our document. So these two things will give your document a professional look, isn't it? So let's come, I'll show you how to do. Okay students, so here is a very beautiful poem. Okay, so of course not mine, I have taken it from internet only. I have just copy pasted anyway, just for this is just for showing you, for the sake of showing you, I have just copied this. Okay, anyway, our motto is not learning this poem but to decorate this document. Okay, design this document. So let's get started. So this is a beautiful poem, and first of all we will learn how to give page borders here. Okay, so page borders means the border line that we use to give in the document to make it more attractive. Okay, so we will learn how to give page borders in Microsoft Word. So for this, what you will do, you will click on page layout and then you will go to page borders. Here you will get page border option. So page border option, and in page border option you will get here other sub options like box, shadow, 3D or custom. So whatever type of border you want to give, you can give. So I want to give box. Box means covering the, that means from all the four sides I want. You can also give 3D. Okay, so I'll give the box one, and from here you can select the style of the border, like 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, dash dash or something like that. So I'm selecting one to show you, and then you can also select different colors from here. I am selecting the blue color. You can select the width, how much width how you want, then you can give it okay, this will come. Or else if you do not want only lines, you can give some styles also from here. Okay, so I'll not do, I'll give a line only like this, and I'll show you how to do. So see, this is a very simple page border. Okay, this is how you can do, and I'm here using Microsoft Word 2007. So in 2007 only these options are available. Now we can also download some of the page borders and use it in our documents to make it more attractive. So I'll show you that also. If you have internet connection, you can try that. Okay, so for that you will have to open your browser. In the browser you have to click here page border download, page border download. So click here. Okay, this is, so when you will press enter, hit the enter button, several options will come, several links will come. You will get the different types of borders in all the links, but I will try the third one. Okay, this one, printable page border. So click there and see, here you will get different types of borders. Different types of borders you will get. See, different types of borders you will get. Here some are open, and here also there are some others like newest edition, black line borders, nature page borders, dog borders, sports and recreation page borders, holiday seasonal, information page borders, formal page borders. So let us try one, religious borders. Let's see what are there. So see, it has like this options you have. See, then so many are there, so many options are here, you can search. Fine. So holidays, we will see holidays and seasonal borders. Might be flowers will come. Yes, flowers and all are coming. So like this you can just search, and which one you like, you can download it. So how to download and how to use, I'll show you. Okay, so I'll be using this kids and school page borders because this type of border will look good with my poem. Okay, and then I will select this one, the first one, ABCD. Okay, so I'll click here in this border, and then side you will get download free version, PDF format, PNG format, JPG format. You can either download JPG format or PNG format. Means we want to download it as a picture. Okay, you can also download it as a Microsoft Word, but that you do not need to do now, because everywhere this option is not available. So we will try to do it using a picture. Okay, so in the form of picture, so I'll download in the PNG format. So click download in the PNG format, and after this here it's coming, see, downloading printable page border. So it's downloading. So if it is not getting downloaded, so one other option will be here, click to download, here to download. So we will click there, and see in the side my alphabet border is being downloaded. Now I'll right click here and I'll just try to open it, and I'll click here and copy this. Okay, so it's easy. So till here very easy. Now we will go to our document. Now students, you have to remove the previous page border. We have to remove. So I'll go to page border and none, click on none. So in this way, then click on OK. In this way you will be able to remove your page border. Secondly, what I will do, I'll paste the border that I have copied. See, but there is a problem. What is the problem? Come down and see, our poem has been shifted down. So how to make it arranged? We want it to be inside this border, isn't it? So student, what to do, select the image, okay, then go to this format and go to text wrapping. Students, I told you this in the previous video also, that this is a very important tips while formatting your document. You will be needing it every now and then. So go to text wrapping and set this border behind the text. Okay, now see, the poem is coming properly inside. Okay, if it is not, what to do, make it bigger, make the border bigger, drag it down, leave it. Okay, see, so beautiful. Now let us see the print preview of this, how it is looking. Go to print and print preview. See how beautiful it is looking, having a very professional look, isn't it? So students, you can try this. Alright, you can give a background color to your page to make it more beautiful. I'll try to give it, go to page layout, page color, and I'll try to give it a very nice, beautiful light blue color or light pink color, which you look nice, which will be looking, yes, this is very good, very light pink. So I'm giving this very nice. It's very looking very nice, isn't it? Very nice. I'll just again do print preview and go. Students, while doing print preview, you will not see the background color, but don't worry, it will come while if you take any printout. Okay, so this is very nice, very beautiful, and in this way you can download various frames, borders, and then you can give your document a very professional look. Okay, so with this we have completed learning how to give page borders from Microsoft Word, and also from the internet, downloading these borders from internet as well. Okay, so with this I'll also give one more thing. I'll taught you one more thing, students. Now how you will feel if anyone else will steal your hard work and pretend to be his own? You will feel bad, isn't it? Now how to do that? We can secure our document with a important step. Okay, the important step is that by giving a watermark. Okay, so how to give a watermark? So you will again have to go to page layout, then you have to go to watermark. Here you can see, and then we can select here already written confidentially, don't copy. We can select that, or we can create a custom watermark. So I'll click on custom watermark because I want to select a custom watermark. Okay, then here are two options. We can give a picture, means logo. if we are working in an organization, any school, we can give our logo as a watermark. Okay, so that we can give, or we also can give a text watermark. Fine. So you can give the text in any language, in English or in Arabic, in anything. Okay, so I'll give this India, English India, United States, whatever you want you can give. So then text you can give here some texts are there. So top secret, urgent, personal. So I'll give personal here. Out of this you can select, so I'll give here personal. Okay, then size will be automatic. Then here you can select the color of the watermark you want to give. I want to select my watermark in the color gray. Okay, so these are diagonal, means in the sidewise it will be, or it may be also horizontal, means do you know na, vertical and horizontal, so it may be horizontal or diagonal. So whatever you like you can give this. Okay, so then we will click on apply and close. Now students, we cannot see if we are giving a border here. We will not be able to see the background watermark. Why? Because above the watermark there is this page, there is this picture, isn't it? So I'll remove and I'll show you. I'll remove this picture and I'll show you that this watermark has come. Okay, sorry for that. I'll show you. Okay, wait. See students, I am taking it down, so watermark is here. If we are giving this frame, watermark will not come. Okay, because it is acting like a picture above it. Yes, we are pasting a picture to make it a document, a border. Anyway, just my motto is to teach you how to give a watermark, and secondly how to give a frame or border, you can say. Fine. So now we will undo it to give a professional look again with our document, and done. So students, hope you like and enjoyed the class, and all of you please try. And after that, if you do it in your computers, please send me screenshot. I'll be very happy to see your work.